let's look at this next question. The frequency of a visual of an engine is 600 cycles per second, is moving with a speed of 30 meters per second towards an observer. So now it is the source of sound which is moving. So going by our logic, I can say that F is equal to, or F dash is equal to F into V divided by V minus V source. So the source is now moving at 30 meters per second. Again, 30 meters per second is approximately 10% of this. So the frequency will increase by approximately 10%. So if we are talking about 600, the answer will be close to 660. So you see, for these kind of questions, I don't really have to apply this formula or do anything. I can just look at the question and then say what the answer is. Okay. Now, many questions like this in the NEET exam will be of this caliber, of this category. You have to train yourself from the beginning to identify these kind of concepts and then work with it. The mistake that most students do, every time they see a question, they try to write down what is the formula that will be applied. Now once you write down the formula, then you try to plug in the numbers and then you try to work it out, see what the answer is and then do it. That is not the right way. The right way to do it is that whenever you look at a question, first think about the concept. Now how are you going to apply that concept? Today you may be a little slow, but once you train yourself on this, you will see that your speed will increase much more. And remember, that student who is answering all 180 questions in 180 minutes is not working out all the questions there in the examination. A lot of questions are being applied, the student is getting the answer purely by thinking about a possible solution and how the solution will be arrived at. So try to use this, try to work with this kind of a concept right now when you are preparing. This will help you improve upon your speed. Okay, and that is the most important thing when it comes to the NEET exam. Thank you. You're understanding? Okay, so keep thinking. So all those questions, we are not to do them systematically. First we have to give a commitment. This is the answer. Then we work it out systematically and then check. If what we have said and what we have worked out is same, that means what we are trying to think and answer is working very good. So more and more questions you work out like that, you will get that particular habit of looking at question, trying to say what the answer is. Today 50% will be right wrong. As you keep doing it, 99% will be right, and there will be very few questions which will be wrong. Okay, so that is your aim. Carry on.